Alright, so most photographers don't have a gear problem, they have a thinking problem, and today I'm going to give you my lightning round guiding photography principles that will instantly, that's a big claim, but instantly improve your work if you actually take the time to follow them. This is the foundation of how I approach photography. No fluff, no shortcuts, no trends, just what actually matters. Alright, so here we go. Number 1 on my list is show me something new, either something I've never seen before or something I've seen in a way I've never seen it. Number 2 on my list, and this is like a two-parter, light matters. Your eye goes to the brightest part of an image. Always. That's what science tells us. So unless you're doing a project on white skies, stop making them half of your image. And also, light sets the mood. So fight for light and learn how to use it to create a mood to your image. Number 3, something I have a hard time doing. Slow down. Most photographers shoot way too fast. Think for a moment before you press the shutter. And even think before you go out to take pictures. What are you trying to do today? Number 4, earn your space with your subject. Don't shove your camera in someone's face. Be present, build trust, and once you've earned that space with your subject, you can work freely within that space without fear of disrespecting someone, and you will get better moments that way. Number 5 on my list. Keep it natural. Stop forcing moments, or worse, stop staging them. Respond to what's actually happening in front of you. Life is beautiful on its own. Let it unfold and be ready. Number 6 on my list is zoom with your feet, meaning move. Don't rely on your lens to do the work for you. Number 7, always know your why. Why this shot? Why this moment? Choose your lens, exposure, and composition around your why. Number 8, simplicity wins. Clean your frame. Remove distractions. What you leave out matters more than what you include. Number 9 on my list. Gear doesn't make you better. Oh, no, it doesn't. It just makes you poorer if you don't know what you're doing. Number 10 on my list. Be intentional. Every photo needs a reason. No reason, no shot. Real quick, guys, if you're watching this and thinking like, yeah, I get it, but I don't know if I'm actually doing it right, that's exactly why I built the Ask Mott community. I just launched it. That's where I give you real feedback on your photos. I give you monthly assignments and projects, and I help you actually apply this stuff that I'm talking about. So if that sounds interesting to you, join our community. It's different than anything else out there. There's a link in the description box if you're serious about improving your photography. Number 11 on my list, a big one, something I talk about a lot, work on projects. Random photos won't push you forward. Projects will. They give you the space to fail, learn, go back and reshoot, and improve. Number 12 on my list, learn to edit yourself. I don't mean color correction in Lightroom. I mean learn how to cull and choose and sequence your images. And then annually hire someone you trust to review your project or your portfolio. Bad editors of their own work, and most of you are, make bad photographers. 13, no excuses. Your photo has to stand on its own. Excuses aren't published in your captions. And if they were, no one would read them because no one reads captions these days. Number 14 on my list, if you have to explain it, it's not working. I hear it all the time in my one-on-one coaching and in my workshops. People over-explaining their images because it didn't explain itself visually. Number 15, be patient with the moment and with yourself. Give yourself time to capture a moment, time with your subject. Also be patient with yourself in your growth. Number 16 on my list, stories aren't just for professionals like me. Start now. Find a story you're interested. Chase that. Set goals. Build something. Work on a story. Work on a project. That's how you will grow. Don't feel like it's imposter syndrome. There's no police out there. I'm not going to stop you. I'm encouraging you. If you want to tell a story about something, go do it. Do it ethically, but go do it. Number 17 on my list, don't let contests define you. Focus on your voice, not validation. Number 18, study the work, not the hype. Look at portfolios of modern photographers, but legendary photographers as well. Don't look at their follower account. Look at the work. So I'm going to create a guide for some of my favorite photographers. That'll be on my little community list where I have resources on there, but that's it. That's my advice. Come back to these principles often and you will grow. This is my foundation. If you actually want to apply this, not just watch another video, join the Ask Mott community like I mentioned earlier. That's where I will review your work and help you improve with real direction, real assignments. I'm giving you feedback and I'm giving you direction. You can check all that and more at askmott.com. Thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to have a wonderful day.